Hello friends, today I am showing a new video chicken liver recipe. This chicken liver recipe is very unique and very tasty recipe. If you make this recipe one day, then you will again make this recipe. So now let's start this chicken recipe. This chicken liver recipe I will show you step by step. So now let's start. This is the first step, and this is the chicken liver, and at first this chicken liver cutting well properly. First of all, this two part cutting well properly, and then chopped well properly. This is the proper cutting. Again I will show you. This is the proper cutting. This is the chicken liver recipe. Proper cutting. This is the small cube cutting. Chicken liver cutting, all cutting has done, and now all cutting has done, and now we will go to the next step. This is the next step, and now add the vinegar into the chopped liver, chicken liver, and now add fresh water, and then after that salt, and now mix well properly and chicken liver clean well properly. Salt and vinegar, then this smell will remove from this chicken liver, and wash well properly. Now this water remove from this chicken liver. Again add fresh water, and again chicken liver wash well properly. And now this water remove from the chicken liver. Again add fresh water, and again this chicken liver wash well properly. And now wash well properly, and now this water remove from this chicken liver. And now this chicken liver wash well properly, and 4 to 5 times this chicken liver clean well properly. And now this process has done, and now we will go to the next step. And now here is the next step. Now add the refined oil, 1 tablespoon refined oil, and now 1 teaspoon garlic paste, and now 1 teaspoon ginger paste, and fry for 3 seconds. And now fry has done, and now add the onion chopped, 1 number onion, slice cutting onion, and now fry well properly. This chicken liver recipe is very tasty and very unique recipe, and always try at your home. If you make this recipe, then again you will again make at your home. So now the fry well properly this chicken, this onion. This onion fry well properly and become a little bit golden color, and now add the potato, small cutting potato, cube cutting, and then after add tomato, one number tomato, and then after add slitted green chili, and now fry well properly. And now added the little bit salt for boiling, for potato will become a good boil, and now mix well properly. And see the friends, this potato boil well properly, and now add the chicken liver. This chicken liver cooked well properly, and now added little bit turmeric powder, then after added 2 tablespoon red chili powder, then after added 2 tablespoon coriander powder, after added 2 tablespoon cumin powder, and now added Kashmiri red chili powder 1 tablespoon, and now cook well properly. And now after added salt to taste, and now mix well properly. This chicken liver recipe is totally unique recipe and very tasty recipe, and always if you like this recipe, then always serve with roti or paratha. Too much delicious recipe. And now this chicken liver cook on low flame. See the friends, this cooking recipe almost has done, and now become a oil removed from this dish, and now add the chopped coriander leaves, and now mix well properly. This recipe is totally dry and too much tasty with roti or paratha. So now this recipe has done, and now will become a serve. See the friends, this chicken liver recipe has done and very tasty recipe and looking very well. So please try at your home. If you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.